Do you know you could work from the comfort of your home with highly respected, reliable companies and earn over 5,000 grand per month as extra income?
No.
Oh, yes, it is possible. And the best part? You enjoy the flexibilities associated with working from home. Hi, lovelies. When you work from home, you have the opportunity to set your schedules. You are able to balance your work life and your personal life. There is no commute when you work from home. So you're saving on time, you're saving on money, you're also saving on that stress of going from point A, which is your house, to point B, your workplace. What about the money you're saving? The money you would have spent on transportation or used to get gas, to refill your vehicle, they all go into your pocket. Also, there are studies showing that people who work from home, they have high productivity against those that work from the traditional offices. Say, for instance, Tina, working from an office, my co-workers, they're gonna come in, chit-chatting, hello, hi, and all of that, but you are eliminating all of this when you work from your personalized workspace. And my lovelies, I want you to relax because today I will show you how to go about it as we uncover 12 companies with good reputation that have work from home opportunities and always hiring. Lovelies, before we dive deep into this video, it's important I let you know I have a special gift for you. I'll let you know more about the gift and how to claim it towards the end of this video. So do not go anywhere. If you are new here, my name is Tina. Welcome to WellPause TV channel. This is your go-to channel for all things entrepreneurship, side hustles, finances, and most importantly, how to become financially independent. It's all we discuss here. Kindly subscribe to this channel, share with your family and friends, like this video, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our updates. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I love you all. Continue to support us, continue to share this video, and continue to give us a thumbs up. Now, let's dive deep.
Let's go.
Top 12 work from home companies that are always hiring. The first on our list is Remote Technology. And the website is www.remotetechnology.net. Brothers and sisters, if you or your loved ones are skilled in tech, surveillance, or ITs, you should be checking this company out. It's a tech company that have been in business for the past 12 years and offer flexibility to their tech engineers. What about the numbers? Of course, my favorite part. I checked them out and I found out they pay their tech engineers from $57,000 to $150,000 per annum, depending on your qualification and your job role. So if this interests you in any ways, go to their website to begin the job application. You navigate to the menu, you can see the career, work with us, and then click on it to display the job availabilities. From there, you will see the apply now. Start from there and let me know if this works for you. Number 2 on our list is Superside. This company has grown an amazing team without cultural or geographical barriers. So it doesn't matter your location, it doesn't matter your background, your ethnicity, none of those matter. What matters is if you have skill in the creative services. That's what they're looking for. So if you are skilled in email design, ad creation, presentation, digital products or ebook designs, social media creative. Those are what they are looking for. And the salary range for these companies between $38,000 to $129,000 per year. So if this interests you in any ways, my lovelies, you can start your application at their website, www.supersite.com. You go to the career section and start to apply this minute. The third on our list is Invisible. Invisible is a company that partners with OpenAI, Microsoft, and all those big tech companies. They are mainly in the AI and human intelligence service business model. They have grown so much that they have presence in over 95 countries, lovelies. And they will tell you there's no office to go to. So they take pride in offering remote opportunities. If this interests you, you can go to their website. It's www.invisible.co and click on where it says Become an Agent. Once you click on Become an Agent, they will show you all the open opportunities looking to be hired. Okay. And you can start your journey from there. They pay their agents anywhere from $326,000 to $395,000 per annum. So lovelies, what's stopping you from checking them out? And let me know what you think about them. Lovelies, number 4 is Canonical. Canonical is a tech company that has over 200,000 remote jobs available in more than 10 different departments. So this is not just for ITs or just for techs or just for engineers. No, they cut across 10 different departments. And this is ranging from engineering to support to marketing, web and design, project management, operations, products, sales, finance, legal, administration, and people. So they have more than 10 different departments with job openings, and these are all remote job, guys. Something you could do from the comfort of your home. You don't have to commute for these jobs. And the good thing about this is they are paying from anywhere between $58,000 per annum to $399. That's 400 grand, guys, per annum, depending on your qualification, your skill, and the job availability. So search on their website, www.canonical.com, to begin your job application. Now we're moving on to number 5. The 5th company here is FluentU. FluentU is a company that prides themselves on helping you to become fluent in the shortest amount of time. And lovelies, they have 100% remote team who works from all over the world. It's an online educational platform. They help people learn any language in the world. And how do you come in? You come in by helping the subscribers, helping the customers, the FluentU customers, to learn languages that you are skilled in. And what will be stopping you from putting your language skills to, making money? That's your skill. Skills should be earning you money. So if you are skilled in more than one language, I would suggest that you visit and sign up with them. You have to create an account, put in your email and password, and get an account with them, and go to their hiring section and begin job application with working with FluentU. They're 100% remote, like I have said earlier, and their salary range is between $50,000 to $86,000 per year. The website is www.fluentu.slab.com. Lovelies, if you're enjoying this beautiful content, Kindly like this video. Make sure you have subscribed to WellPost TV. Turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our updates, and watch this video till the end. Now let's continue. Number 6 is Veeva. Veeva is an American cloud computing company focused on pharmaceutical and life services application. They offer services such as clinicals, business consulting, professional and managed services, training services, regulatory, and more. Veeva allows you to work in your best fitted area. It pays between $90,000 a year to $107,000 a year. So you want to begin your job application by heading over to www.veeva.com, and then you can go to the career page. Coming up next is Oyster HR. Where are my HR personnel in the house? Are you skilled or trained in human resources? Are you experienced in hiring, onboarding, trainings, employees, benefits, compliances, and so much more? This website right here, I will advise you check it out. I think it's worth your time. Yes. This is a human resource global employee platform which allows companies to hire talents from all over the world, from all the continents. It doesn't matter if you're in Africa, Europe, Asian, American, it doesn't matter. They are 100% remote and they hire from anywhere in the world. And what about the pay, guys? They pay you anywhere between $70,000 to $206,000 per year. Isn't this worth you checking them out? If you are skilled in human resources, check them out and let me know how this is coming together for you. Their website is www.main.oysterhr.com. Next up, it's Contra. Contra is a global professional network for skills where companies and freelancers, independent contractors come together to connect and work. It's 100% commission free. Salary is between $100 to $120 per hour. If you want to check them out, I strongly suggest you do. The website is www.contra.com, and you could check the career page. Number 9 is Doximity. This is a professional medical network of physicians. They are professionals and they come together to develop a mobile healthcare apps that help them to connect physicians to their patients while keeping the physician's information like cell phone private. And the good thing is they're always hiring remotely. So if you are watching this video and you have skills or expertise in healthcare, medicals, if that interests you and you have experience, you can do well by checking them out. Their website is www.doximity.com. Then head on to the career section page where you can view the openings available at this time. The number 10 company always hiring remote workers is Float. Float is the world's resource management tool for professional service teams. They serve over 4,500 customers globally. And that means they are hiring for workers globally, worldwide. It doesn't matter your location. What matters is you have your access to internet, you have access to a laptop and computer, and you can get a job with them. The salary range with Float is between $57,000 to $160,000 per annum. Check out their website at www.float.com, and then you want to head on to the career section where you can view the openings available. Number 11, lovelies, it's Groove. They offer customer support services for small business so that they can deliver world-class experience with more confidence. If you're a customer support personnel and you have customer skills, this will be a place to check out. Go to their website at www.groovetechnology.com and check out their career page, lovelies. This company is paying between $45,000 to $70,000 per a year. That's not bad if you ask me. My customer support personnel, head on to Groove and check it out for yourself. The last but not the least is Komoot. Yes, Komoot. I hope I got this right. Komoot, Komoot, right? This is an app. They let you find, plan, and share your adventures with easy route planners. They didn't disclose their salary, but the good thing is they hire remotely. And I believe that if they get to the point of hiring you, they're going to tell you how much to pay you. So why not check them out, lovelies? All right, my lovelies, I promise you 12 companies that are always hiring, and there you have them. 12 companies you can check out today for an opportunity to work from home. Feel free to try them and hopefully you get hired soon. Let me know in the comment section which of them you're considering. And now, let's move on to the gift. You remember this special gift I told you earlier? In order for you to claim it, go to the comment section and type gift. And I will gladly send you the link to get it instantly. Again, my lovelies, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like it by giving it a thumbs up, turn on your bell notification, share with your family and friends. And until next time, stay safe, stay financially empowered.